It is Fox Body Wednesday, as you guys can see. Foxes for days here in the shop. So today's project, right before Thanksgiving tomorrow, is engine bay on this, I think 92 Alex coupe. Anyways, Tyler's not here. He went to go get paint. And anyways, I'm starting to tear down on this. She honestly looks so good. I love it. But what we gotta do is yank out the wiring harness, all the AC stuff, technically just get this stuff ready, start getting it stripped, take the brake booster out, take all just the heater hoses and all these accelerator cables and all the fun stuff out. This front end's actually not held on by much of anything. One, not there. 2, 3, I think there's 3 bolts honestly holding this front end on. So here in about, I'd say 20 minutes, Tyler gets back, we'll be yanking this front clip off, clean the engine bay out, and pressure washing it, cleaning it, because it is really dirty. But what we like to see is there's not really much of any rust. There's just like a little bit right there, but we can go and fix that. So I think we've already got a tubular K member for this in the car. If not, he's going to send us. So keep you guys updated. Looks good.
Tyler, I don't know. He's doing something.
I just got back from the paint store.
Yeah. We got presents though. Rear valance for the 13?
Yep, 13 for
GT.
14 over there. Yeah, go show them the bumper. The one that we primed.
So here's the bumper.
Yep.
It's gonna go right here.
So this is like a GT500 rear valance, I believe. So snaps in. We have to make our own holes for it to snap into. So we'll figure it out though. Yeah, it says SVT rear valance. Yep.
Ooh.
So we're painting this black, the GT500 front bumper black. I think we're going to go ahead and prime this because it's textured. So I think we might prime this, paint it gloss black. We are going to do this insert black. Gloss black as well. So this is where the license plate mounts to. So I don't know, I'm going to have to see if the customer wants to go ahead and have me prime this, wet sand it, and then base it with black, and then put the signature clear coat on it. It just makes it pop more and it sticks out from other cars because everyone usually just throws this on and they're done. So if we paint it black, it might blend in better in the ass end of the car. But we'll see. If not, he definitely wants this painted gloss black. This just arrived today, and I'll give him a text, see if he wants us to do that or not. And we should be painting these by the end of the night because we got everything to complete. We just got to cut some holes to custom fit the SVT rear valance. On our GT bumper. So we're going to slot the holes. We want to do all that, make sure everything fits before we actually do paint. That way we're not chipping the paint off of a fresh bumper and putting fingerprints in it. So we'll get these fitting and then we'll come back. Brent's over there tearing away on Tim's Fox. Go check in on him, Brent, or Sean.
We got going on over here, Brent?
Well, if you guys have ever seen well, I guess it's called Spaghetti Junction here in Louisville.
Yeah.
But this is like Spaghetti Junction. So we've got subwoofer wires, we got MSD wires, we got turbo boost controller wires. So we're just untangling the tangle. But we're slowly getting there. And
it's alright.
It's not too bad, it looks pretty good.
No. Pretty good car.
All right, we got Babs looking mint in the sun. Brent's new, fresh, cleaned Cherokee. All right, Sean, go get in the doghouse, bro. That's awesome, huh?
Yeah.
I need one of those. I know, I need one of those for my room. What are you?
At the front of your bed?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that'd be awesome. Make the headlights and turn signals pop up and stuff. And then you can use the wheel wells to stuff under the bed, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Are you a Coyote or are you like a GT500 swap? What are you?
I'm a 4-cylinder turbo.
All right, I can see that. Sweet. Really pack the punch when the time's come, huh?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. All right, now we can just take all the wiring off a lot easier, and we can see what we're doing. It's just been, you know, over the years wired so many times and stuff like that. So we're gonna take off what we don't need. Tim did get a factory 92 LX harness 5.0, so that's good news for us. He texted me last night, because on eBay they're going for like 400 bucks and stuff, and some of them they're spliced on eBay too. So anyway, we're gonna take the rest of the wiring out, and then we're gonna roll it out a little bit more, and then we're gonna pressure wash it, get it all degreased and cleaned, and then we're gonna start sanding. Sean's gonna take the brake booster out, and yeah, we'll take that front crash bar off as well, and you know, all the clutch cables, all that kind of stuff. So we'll be back once we get some more wiring out of the way. Alright, so here's our rough test fit right now. As you can see, we got to cut more out of the exhaust. Some of these pins line up right there. Those pins are factory already there. We have to drill and cut these middle pins right there to get it fitting right. So mocked it up. So we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle. So 5 in the middle, right here, and then we're set, and we'll be ready to install this. I think these pins right here will go into this. I think we're set on that. So I've never done this, but it's definitely not too hard. Just gotta take your time and cut once. So I'm just gonna mark where I need to cut them with the paint marker, and then I'll cut them, and we'll do a test fit again. So I'll be back. All right, guys. I think this is fitting pretty well. Both sides just has a little bit of gap like this right in the corner, but that's way down low by the exhaust, and when this is black and that's black, you're not going to see that at all. So cut the old section off right here, and now we have a GT500 rear valance. So now I'm going to cut out this for the license plate rear. I don't know if that's SVT either or not. It might be RTR, I have no idea. But I know we have to modify this stock GT bumper to do so. So I'm going to do that, and then we're off to prepping these and getting the texture out with primer so that way it's smooth, and then I can paint these. Just because I have to primer this and this license plate holder tonight, I'm not going to be able to paint these tonight, but we'll paint them. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'll probably paint these Friday. And Brent's going out of town tomorrow anyway. So I'll paint this Friday, and then they'll be ready to pick up by the weekend. So stay tuned, and we'll be back. I'm going to cut this out, fit that, and then we'll go from there. All right, got that fit and welded. All I had to do is cut out the spots for the recessed grill, and all the other slots were already there, so I guess it's the same. I think this is RTR. I'm not sure. I'm not too familiar with these. It might be GT500. I don't know. So someone drop a comment and let me know. I think we're definitely doing this gloss black. I gave him a text, see if he wanted us to do this gloss black. I haven't checked my phone yet, so I'm gonna do that and then prime them, and then tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Friday we'll paint them in the booth, and we'll show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start prepping this one, check my phone, see what he wants to do. We might be prepping this one too, and then we'll be back. Brent's still working on the wiring over here. Bunch of MSD stuff, old tacks, everything like that. So we're taking all that out, and then